We're looking forward to welcoming you to YLW. Whether you're here to visit family and friends, or if you call the Okanagan home, here's what you can expect the next time you're at the airport. We're asking that masks or face coverings be worn at all times in the public areas of the terminal, with some exceptions. Children under 2 and individuals with certain medical conditions are exempt. Ensure your mask is on before entering jet bridges or hallways, and that it remains in place until you leave the terminal. Follow signage and directions from airport staff and keep 2 meters from others wherever possible. Avoid crowding near the luggage carousels, and once you pick up your bag, exit the arrivals area. If you need transportation from the airport, car rentals and taxis are located just steps from the baggage area. To ensure a rental car is ready for when you arrive, book ahead. Before leaving the building, sanitize your hands. For more information about what to expect at YLW, visit ylw.kelowna.ca/welcomeback.